I took a 6-minute drive from Oban to Dunollie Castle. It's in Western Scotland and is the ancestral home to Clan MacDougall. Straight ahead of us now here is called the Isle of Carrera. And let's fly back to what my Scottish friends would call Dunollie Castle, I believe. Sadly, the weather will restrict access to this castle. It is rather difficult in winter to get inside. Oban is Scottish Gaelic and means the Little Bay. It's a resort town within the Argyll and Bute Council area of Scotland, and despite its small size, it is the largest town between Helensburgh and Fort William. Looking to the right of the tower there is Maiden Island.